Meaning of iamb.
iamb,
Iamb.
iamb,
iamb. An iamb is a metrical foot consisting of two syllables where the first syllable is unstressed and the second syllable is stressed. In English poetry, an iambic meter is a rhythmic pattern that consists of iambs. Iambic meter is one of the most common meters in English poetry, and it is used in a variety of poetic forms including sonnets, blank verse, and heroic couplets. Iambs are often used to create a sense of movement or forward momentum in poetry, and they can help to create a musical and flowing quality in the language.